Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video about yen index and yen pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart I made on the 27th. This is yen index 33-minute chart, beautiful setup by the book. And I said from here on, it's going to bounce and then it's going to go to 64.78 was my target, final target. Every time it bounces, it travels the distance, right? So I said, well, this is where it's going to go. And if it does go there, start to go there, all yen pairs should be going to the upside. Now, I showed this chart and talk about it in my yesterday's video. Let me play that video, a little bit of that video for you so you can know exactly what it is. Okay, hold on just a minute so I can put this speaker here. And now you can see again. Now, what I'm actually interesting for tonight, I'm watching those charts, 20-minute and 7-minute, about pound yen, not pound, sorry, pound yen and euro yen. So I'm going to give it to you as well. Pay attention, whatever the system you're using to make entries, do it, but they are going to go up. I'm talking about yen pairs. Yen pairs are about to go up. See, this one is a yen index. See this? It's bouncing from here. Beautiful trend line bounce this high here. And all yen pair went down because this retracement. Now, if this is bouncing and going to the upside, guess what? All yen pair are going to go up again. All right. So I'm looking for entries in pound yen and euro yen. Maybe those two only. That's it. I have enough trades already, so I don't worry about it. Aussie yen maybe, or USD yen actually, maybe if I see, but these two, I'm going to hit them again, and I'll show you my trades tomorrow. So this is a very good setup here. If this thing goes here, as I mentioned here, I'm showing here, then at least the pairs will go like 150, 200 pip each. Every pair will move, and you can get your share out of that easily. I'm going to do it. I'll show you my trades tomorrow. Probably a 7-minute is setting up already on the computer. Let me just check quickly here. Let me see. Pound yen. Okay, yes. Pound yen, euro yen, both slowly going to the upside and ready to make a long setup. So I'm going to take those, and I advise you guys to do the same. If you have, whatever the system you use, just use that. All right. So this is it for now. This is, I just wanted to show that how 20-minute and 7-minute chart, if you make the 20-minute long, if it doesn't go your way, then immediately the price going down, then you get it from 7-minute and recover your losses. All right. Now you got this idea that this is I was talking about in yesterday's video, the one I made on the 27th. And I not only showed the chart, and I said that they're going to go up, and I said also that they're going to be going at least 150 to 200 pip each pair, right? You can, play this video again, and you see it. I said that. Now, look what happened to this chart. This is the chart I was showing. This chart ended up like this Friday evening. We close Friday like this. Exactly the same place it went, 64.78. Now, if this supposed to go there, I said all yen pair is gonna go up. And now I wrote down, so they all went up big time. Remember, I was saying that at 150 to 200 pip each pair is gonna go up. Now they went up like that, and I supposed to take the trades and show it to you guys, right? That's what I said. So let me show you my trades in yen pairs today on April 28th using this chart. This is 7-minute entry. It goes up. Beautiful entry here. Gone with the wind. 150 pip. It went up more than that, but 150 pip. Right? The name is I'm using my my son's computer for 7 minutes, so he has it like his name almost sometimes. So that same thing, right? But yeah, it's my son, so he's learning. Now, see this buy order here, entry you can see, 150 pip. Next trade, boom. USD yen, Doing the same thing, went up 150 plus all the way on the 28th, right? Today, Friday. EJ, this entry here, buy order, 140 pip. This one, CAD yen, buy order, 170 pip from here to here. And then I had, well, this is pound Aussie. It went up also because, Aussie was weak and the pound started getting strong. So that's also 140 pip. But this is not the yen family, right? Another last yen family member is Aussie yen. Only 95 pip because yen was getting weaker, but Aussie was also getting very weak. So it didn't go much to the upside. That makes sense. Right? Both currencies getting weaker. So, but you see, I pre-planned all of that yesterday, a day before. I knew that they're going to be going at least 150, 200 pip each. And I wanted to get early so that I can get, 100 plus trade. And I got all of them one by one. Okay. So this is the beauty about the system. And a little bit of technical analysis, you got to know exactly. See, this is US dollar index. Let me show you that if I, let me see if I have this chart here. Is it the, see this chart, for example, I had it already. I knew it from 15th April. I made this chart that we are going to go up like the, upside because the yen weakness, right? I was expecting all of that. The yen was getting weaker and I was just waiting for the right setup, which shows up on my 40-minute, 33-minute chart. And then I said yesterday, I said that what I'm going to do exactly the same thing I did today. And I showed you all my trades as I promised. All right. So this is the beauty about the system. If you like to learn how to do all of this, then go on my website. Let me see if I have it here. Okay, there's my website. Go subscribe, or if you are new and you want to master this system and learn all about the forex market, forex trading, right? Then you can go and sign up for one-on-one, a 10-hour course. I will make you master of this strategy, this system, as well as Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, SNR level, every single thing. Everything has to forex has to offer, right? And these trades, I mean, you look at this, it's 25th short trade for 85 pip, 25th short trade for 110 pip. I mean, it's this one 140 pip GJ on 25th again, right? So they are all, it's over. This is CAD yen, by the way, right? This is GJ coming down, beautiful entry, and then look, 140 pip. So they are all over the place, but you have to learn how to find them and how to hit them properly. All right. So like I said, that if you want to learn, just go on, sign up for one-on-one. And that's like in 10 hours talking with me. You ask anything you want, and then I'll teach you from A to Z. All of these things you're going to learn. All of these things you're going to learn in this course. And you become master. Now, one of these trades, just simple one trade, for example, one standard lot will, this pound yen, one standard lot, one trade, that's $1,500, 150 pip. But when you sign up with one-on-one, you learn 10 hours with me over the Zoom, plus the whole year membership is free. You can, stay as my subscriber and attend my webinars, get my weekly charts and updates, every single thing for the whole year. Imagine how much you can do with this. All right. So this is it for now. Like I said, that if you like, you just go on my website, sign up, and I'll see you in my webinars. Thanks for watching, and have a, by the way, here, I do have a Telegram where I post, see this chart, the yen chart, I posted here for my subscribers. I explained this chart to my subscribers when I did the webinar Wednesday. And again, I put it here, see this? It started to go up, watch yen pairs for longs. And then I posted the final chart that they all went up big time. I will show you the charts later. So I do give update on my Telegram. So you will be a part of my Telegram for all year long for free. It's just one time and 10-hour course, and you will get everything. You will learn everything. And I will even set up all these charts on your computer through TeamViewer. Actually, my son will do it. All right, so you will be all set. Okay, so bye for now and talk to you guys later in my webinar.